Hey, I'm ascending. I'm out of battery. Ah, damn it! What do you think? Back up, it's my phone now. Ow, ow! What's up, bud? Hey, Ace, what the hell?
Angel.
Oh my god. Yay, I'm ascending. And apparently I might get hit by lightning again. Let's do it. Coming. I'm coming. Ah, shit. I'm out of battery. Yeah. Where the hell are you throwing? Nope. Nope. I'm not diving.
You gonna pass it?
Mm-hmm. Please give it a shot. It's been a while. Oh, I need a little more oomph. Yep. You're pretty much whipping it straight up in the air. Pretty much, yep.
I like this way better.
Well, I mean, depending on the style. Granted, I feel like you get more of a crack at a whip if you're going underneath. Like the way I usually say, see? Not bad. It's not bad at all. Bring the thunder. No. I said no. Oh, shit. Ah, damn it. All ready? I mean, best I got. Honestly, that was. Granted, I'm not a lefty, so. That did not do what I wanted it to do. No bueno. As we continued playing outside, the storm brewed and kept building these big, triumphant clouds as the sky contorted into darkness. Brightness faded as bolts of lightning riddled the sky. Booming thunder clashed and rolled in the background. We continued playing till the brink of rain. Alright, ready, bro?
Ready for what?
Ready to head out so we don't get pelted by the rain or shock electrocuted. I've already done it once, believe me, I'm not a fan of it. Granted, maybe this time around I'll start dancing, I don't know. Throw it to the sky. Attaboy. That was a good action shot.
Would my throw be decent, at least?
You're very intro levels. I mean, granted, you're getting a decent spiral. It's not exactly spot on, but with more time and practice, definitely getting there. Possibly even with some gloves, bro. That might help your grip. There's about and is. See, that one, that was no spiral. Unless your mentality was spiraling out of control. Bullshit. That way past me. What do you want me to do? I'm not jumping out of my chair. There's limitations to this, bro. Remember, it's easy. It's really fast for me to get down on the ground. It's a lot longer for me to get up. Whip it. Maybe I overshot it. It's about 10 yards. Stop blaming the wind. It's doing its job. It's a little breezy and it's raining right now, sir. Nice. Lame-o. Dude, I don't need to rust or get electrocuted again. Told you, I got my own limitations. Nemo. Look at you walking right into the storm. If you call that walking, yeah. Nope, no thank you, sir. No thank you. Hey, only one disabled person per family. Don't mess up the ratio. I said the same thing a couple years ago. You're right, the wind is kicking. Look at that. You got some of that action here. Oh yeah, if that doesn't give me a tingle down my spine a little bit.
School grounds closed to public during school hours, Monday through Friday, 7 o'clock through 4 o'clock. No pets allowed on school property.
Well, technically, you're my pet, so I already broke that rule. Yup. Every day, all day, bro. Rules are meant to be broken, damn it. Unless it's one of those dangers, otherwise you're going to die kind of labels. Then maybe listen to that one. I was born in the 90s. We made it past a lot of things. Oh no. I promised myself my son wouldn't end up in jail like I did. Sir, you've got so much life to live. Can I at least have your Xbox?
No.
I mean, worst comes to worst, dude. You just scrape yourself into the van and I take you to the doctor so they can fix your broken bone. It's like one of those things. As a father, it kind of like, yeah, I don't want you to hurt yourself. At the same time, maybe you need to hurt yourself every once in a while, all right, bro? You learn.
Have you ever done something like this? Just cross a bridge like that?
Damn straight. A lot. Too many damn times.
Have you ever fallen?
Damn straight. Way too many times, too. Why do you think my memory's not exactly keen all the time? I've gotten a lot of concussions growing up. And I would say each one of them was a good lesson, but I only remember half of them. You know, I was tired, so I took a nap. I was probably about 5 years old for that one.
Does it hurt when you break a bone?
Yeah. Have you ever seen a movie where he's like, oh, I broke a bone. I guess I'm perfectly fine. Leave me alone.
Yeah.
Shut up.
I have.
Believe me, it's not a normal occurrence. Typically, it hurts like hell to break a bone. I mean, the ones that I broke, yeah, they all hurt. Do a flip. Yeah, probably not.
I have one possible way to get that over here.
Yeah, I just said to do a flip. You got it. Almost. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get on the other one.
All right, bro. Book it up. Abort mission. Nah, you're right. Yeah. How's the view up there?
Now I jump.
Now you jump.
3, 2, 1. Yeah.
I feel like you went a little past zero there, sir.
this sweater. It's like cold but warm at the same time.
I don't know where you're getting warm from. I'm cold as hell over here.
Like some of the tank is still warm. Like some of the areas aren't hit by it.
The tank's still warm?
Yeah.
Lies.
Some of the areas aren't hit by it.
Lies.
I kind of slipped last second, like when I jumped down.
No, I might have seen that. What the hell?
Yeah, I went like that. You saw me?
Yup. What's up?
Hey, Dad.
Hey, child.
Ding badass. Ding 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 ding. Ding badass. Ding 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 ding.
Dude, what is happening? Love you. You drive me up the wall crazy, but damn it, do I love you. Now do a flip. Sure.
I think she'll be scared at first, but she'll learn from me.
Yeah, she's got way better balance than you, bro. I think she'd be able to scale up there faster than any of you two.
So she'll scale up here faster than a chipmunk?
Yup.
A squirrel?
Without a doubt.
A lightning bolt?
I don't know about that now. Come on. Come on. Keep going. Just a little bit further. Just a little bit further. To your right. To your right. A little bit further. Come on. Reach for it. Forward. 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 There it is.
Okay, you're lucky you're tall. I'm ready to go home. I'm exhausted.
Shh.
Rain
What, do you need a vacation from all your recess?
No.
There you go.
I'm ready to head home
Me, head home.
after a hard day's play.
Shut up. Hello, daughter.
Okay, fine, we can go home.
What do you think? Bro, like, this is legit for a place to come hang out at. Especially at nighttime. Look at this. This is bomb, man. So much light.
Okay, Dad, let's go. Can I have my phone back?
Negative.
How about you download it?
And wordscape my life away? No, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, you're gonna get addicted to it.
I already am. Just for like a couple minutes you let me do that. Back up. Back up. It's my phone now. Ow. Ow, you're crushing my arm.
Word cookies are better.
What? Word cookies?
Recollect with me. 3, 2, 1. Wait.
You know, I heard the saying behind break a leg is more the point that hopefully you
End up in the cast.
end up in the cast. There you go.
Yeah.